In this video, traders, we're going to look at the best trading strategy is mental toughness. Stay tuned. Hey guys, warm welcome to you. Thank you for joining me. Okay, so what is the best trading strategy? Well, from an operational perspective, that's debatable, but from a perspective of longevity in the market and to become a better trader, without any shadow of a doubt, it is mental toughness. You will be up against people who are smarter, they're more intelligent than you, they're better funded, they're more capitalized, they're more experienced in the market, they're more dedicated, they have better patience. The list can go on and on and on, right? So you can't step in and have all of these better than anybody. Maybe one of you out there is smarter than everybody. Maybe one of you out there has more money. Unlikely. Maybe one of you out there is more experienced. Again, unlikely, but you get the point. The idea is you're never going to be straight into trading being the best person in the room. So how do you compete? You have to find your edge, which we've talked about before, and you have to treat trading with the respect it deserves, because there are clever guys trading out there. There are guys who are trading with these big banks. They're well funded, they're smart, they're really experienced, they're dedicated, they're focused, they're driven, they've got everything there, and we're competing against them. So we can't compete on the same level as them. We have to pick our battles wisely, which is why we have setups and strategies, why we have our own edge that we focus on and we drill down on and we push our chips in when things are right. But going back to the original title, which is mental toughness, because what a lot of people do who come into trading is they come in because they've tried something that hasn't worked. Maybe they've tried this business idea or this online business idea or this, that, the other. They found trading, they've come in and they think that it's another thing. And they just treat it like another thing that if it doesn't work after the first 3 to 4 months, they drop it. And in reality, this is where you need the mental toughness. Now, I guess, guys, that you watching this video, especially if you're a subscriber, you are in the very few that has the mental toughness to make it. You are, by the nature of you watching this video and this title, recognize that the mindset is the key. It's the resilience. It's the way that you keep pushing forward is the key to breaking through to becoming the trader you want to be. The setups are out there, the strategies are out there. We've got loads of them on this channel. There are others out there to look at. The simple stuff works very, very well. It's about the discipline, it's the mindset, it's the mental toughness. Again, we've done lots of videos on breaking through each of these individual barriers, but the best thing that you can work on, bar none, is that mental toughness, so that you can compete against these guys who are out there, and you can find a strategy that works for you, and you can find a market that works for you, because you'll find something, it will work, then it will stop working. And you'll be downhearted, you'll be disheartened. You'll find something, you'll lose lots of money, consistent losing money, you'll think, I can't even make a winning trade, and you'll be downhearted. And it takes a strong character to get back up from that and to keep pushing forward. But to keep pushing forward in a way that you're not just banging your head against the same brick wall by trying the same strategy all the time in the same market conditions and expecting different results. There's a fine balance between saying, okay, I'm going to move forward, but I'm going to try something different, and I'm going to move forward a little bit more and try something different, but knowing when to keep pressing, then it will break through, not just keep flipping from something different. That's when that mental toughness comes in. That's when you know you're making the breakthrough. So how do you work on mental toughness? Well, you've got to become more resilient yourself. You've got to kind of reading some of the books by some of the greats is really good, because they're going to give you some of the strategies to deal with those downtimes. They're going to give you some of the strategies to deal with, to make those big leaps, because you're going to make no progress. All of a sudden you'll make a load of progress. Then you'll sit there, maybe lose a bit of progress. Then you'll make a load of progress. It's not going to be a nice linear steady curve that goes up. It's never the case, guys, and there's always going to be big tests along the way. So if you can work on your mental toughness, the strategies will find you, the setups will find you, all the operational stuff that we think is the key to it is there already. It's the mental resilience and toughness and ability to keep improving as a trader that will set you apart from the rest and will start then to stretch the lead. It's like a race at the moment, isn't it? Everyone's chugging along, most people are losing money, suddenly someone starts to break out, they come back into the pack, People are dropping off because they lost all their money, they're giving up on it, the race is going on, and eventually this will be you pushing ahead, pushing ahead, pushing ahead, and then the gap will be massive because more people will join, the more people will join, more people join, more people drop off, and then you see that spread. And it's the mental toughness that allows you to move and significantly shift ahead and keep improving at a massive rate, because once you start improving, when you're way further down the line, the improvements are much bigger. Whereas at the moment it feels like I'm just trying to get to break even, I'm just trying to not lose so much money, I'm just trying to stick to my stops. Small things seem so challenging and difficult, but the resilience you build up on there will set you in good stead, ready for when you're starting to do stuff like, I want to increase my position size, I want to do this, I want to do that. Some of the bigger stuff that starts to then stretch you as a trader. All right, guys, mental toughness is the one thing that's well worth working on. So if you've got spare time, you're wondering what to do, time to look at your mental toughness. Sit there and read the books, listen to the podcast, do visualization, whatever other things you need to do to think about how you're going to progress and how you're going to pick yourself back up and keep moving forward. All right, guys, see you next one. Take care. Keep your risk managed, whatever you do. Bye-bye.